Seniors, I'm just going to give you a quick little update on the student stock trader. I bought um, a teacher license so that we can add more students on here. There's a couple of you that have not signed up yet. These are the people that we have on there right now. You need to go in and buy your stocks this week if you haven't already. I gave you $50,000. In the assignment today, I showed you how to get in there and what your login is. So I need you to do that, and I need you to do that this week if you have not done it yet. So if your name is not on here, you haven't done it yet, and you need to do it this week, or else you're going to be 2 weeks behind. Right now, you're 1 week behind if you're not on this board. So I got permission from Lewis to show his spreadsheet. After you buy your 5 stocks, you can buy more than 5 stocks, but there's only 5 stocks that we're going to track. Here's Lewis's portfolio. So Lewis went ahead and he bought these 5 stocks, and he went over here, and I do have a video that shows this, but if we take a look at Lewis's stocks, he bought some Apple stocks and he saw what the symbol was and he put that in there. And then he bought 10 shares. At the time that he bought them, they were $129.99. And I know that because I can see here what it was when he bought it. Okay, so okay, may not be exact, but sometimes it changes slightly, but it should be around the same price as my dog does not like that. Polo, it's okay. All right. So I expect you not to pick the same as Lewis. I just expect you to use his as an exemplar. You can see how I put the name of the company and the ticker name or the symbol, how many shares he wanted, and then the current price. Now, what has happened from week 1 to week 2 is Lewis went in and he put what the current price is for his stocks. And it looks like um, some have gained, but like this one has gained, but this one here has lost. So right now he has a loss of $98. Okay, so hopefully that'll turn around for Lewis, and by week 3 he'll be able to see a little bit more of a profit because next week he'll be putting in what the price is at that point, and then we'll be looking at some data on that. But we really need 3 weeks of data to really do the activities next week. So if you have not done it, you need to at least get your week 1 in here. If you haven't started yet, then you just are in week 1. Okay, so if you're just starting today, you're setting up week 1, and then next week will be week 2, and the week after will be week 3. So you'll be a week behind, but we need 3 weeks worth of data in order for you to get the grade for this activity. So that's why I'm making up this video and say thank you to Lewis for letting me look at his spreadsheet, which is filled out for week 1 and week 2. Please, as always, let me know if you have any questions, and I'm here to help, and I'm at the school every Wednesday if you want to work on it there. Okay, thanks, bye.